Okay, guys, I'm super excited. I'm going to show you a quick little demonstration of the photo box. This is my first sample. I don't have any pictures in it because my pictures are all organized in the previous version, which happens to be in my office that I am not allowed to go to because I'm under quarantine. But I wanted to show you the box. It's really beautiful. This is what it looks like. There is a removable label on the front that comes with the box. You have to make your own label. So find somebody who has lovely handwriting. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful. I'm super excited. This is the white version. The box itself, before I open it up, just so you can see it, is coated so that it's a little bit stain resistant. I think you can take like a damp cloth to it and it should be okay. So it's like, I'm going to show you like in comparison to maybe some of the other boxes that I have that are more paper that get fingerprints on them very easily. This is lightly coated, so it's going to be fingerprint resistant, which is really lovely. And so this is what it looks like on the inside. The lid comes right off like that. And then on the inside, the very first thing that you find inside is this oversized folder. So that's for your oversized photos, and it is Velcro. See, so the oversized photos fit right inside, and then they can be laid across the top. That is key to this whole situation. And then on the inside, these are the internal photo folders, and each one of these is removable, as you can see. Very exciting. You could actually take, it's hard to do this with one hand. You could take out several if you wanted to. You could use half for photos and then the other half for mementos if you wanted to. Each one you can label. I would just use a regular label maker. And then the nice thing is that it also comes with these inserts, so you can create subcategories as needed, and those can be inserted wherever you want, however you want to continue to divide. So that is what it looks like on the inside. Quite lovely. I'm very excited about it, you guys. I don't think anything exists like this on the market. Currently we have them in white and black, and that is what it looks like.